feeling myself, feeling my backpack, 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 backpack. I am fresh out of the shower. I dabbed my hair just a little bit with the towel because I was dripping all over the place. So we're going to use the Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, just a little bit of it in my hair. I don't know if this adds any value to the end result. I do it anyways because it's just out of habit. When I wash my hair, it's shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner. That always stays constant. Everything else changes. So that's why I'm doing it with the blow dry. This is how much I put. I'm not putting a lot because when dealing with straight hair on type 4 hair, the less products you have in your hair, the better. What you're really going for is moisturization and hydration. Apart from that, yeah, you don't want to put too much in your hair, otherwise it's going to just be greasy and stiff, and it's not going to have that nice bounce that the looser curls and wavy and like regular straight hair people have. So that's why I only put in that little, and I literally just rake it through my hair. I'm not the most gentle with my curls. Argue with your mama in the comments. I don't care. My hair has been doing just fine. The only issues I've been having with my hair lately is just the stress-related alopecia I've been having on my edges. If you go to my blonde wig try-on, you'll see why I didn't explain why I'm going through the stress-related alopecia, but I talk about it just very little. And you can also look here, either here or here, to see my breakdown of my experience going through stress-related alopecia. I can't remember the medical name. I'll just put it here somewhere. Okay, so next up we're going to be using the anti-frizz serum from the same Garnier Fructis line. I actually haven't used this as a part of my flat ironing regimen? Is that the word? Routine. I'll just say routine. I haven't used this before in that routine. I've used it in my blow dry routine. Back when I was relaxed and I would flat iron my hair, I have used this, but this would be the first time. Again, very little product. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, there we go. Honestly, just rake that through the strands again. Are you hearing my type 4 ladies? When you do this at home, trust me, the less amount of products you have in your hair, especially oils, the better. Okay, next up we have the 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray from Kai? I don't know how they pronounce it. Wait a second, is that what that means? Cationic Hydration Interlink. So basically this is just a thermal spray to protect from heat. So it's heat protectant. I spray it freely around my hair. Rake it through. And now we are going to blow dry. I love the smell of this product. It smells great. Oh my god. My train of thoughts. What am I doing here? And now we're ready for straightening, and we're going to be using, it's upside down, I don't know what it's called, but it's from Tymo. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I got this two Christmases ago from my sister. I don't straighten my hair often, again because I don't want my hair to get prone to heat damage or whatever. And I also like my fluffy hair when it's like this or shrunken. I like my natural hair, but occasionally I do like to wear straight hair. So if I'm not wearing a wig, I straighten my hair using this. It is a lot easier to straighten your hair when it's stretched out versus when it is in its tight curls. Trust me. This is how much I section at the back. Okay, gonna brush. That's what we're looking at. All right, so I have a piece of hair. Make sure you comb it through the ends. Take this and just comb through or brush through. Take another section at the back and brush through. Look at that, look at that, honey bunny. Look at that, honey bunny. And let's see that length check. My hair has actually grown quite a bit. Look at that. And then also look at the movement. Look at the movement. Look at that baby. That's pretty amazing. Let me put on a little bit of makeup and an outfit change, and I'll be right back. This hair, wow. I can't remember the last time I had this much volume when I straightened my hair. Usually I would put in clip-ins to add volume, but I actually don't need any volume at all. I don't know what exactly I've been doing differently with my hair routine. I know I've stopped using, actually I've stopped using less products in my hair. So when I wash my hair in its natural states, it's just shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and then either a mousse or grease, depending on the hairstyle that I'm doing, and that is it. Nothing else. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Straightening my hair with my Tymo. Got the volume. I have the movement. My hair is growing slowly but surely. I think it's because of the trim. That's why it's looking like there's more volume. Usually when I trim my hair, it's after they have straightened it, like completely like bone straight, and then they trim. Versus it's in my naturalish states, blown out, and then trimming. I think that's why I have more volume. Let me know what y'all think about the hair straightening. Does it look good? Will you buy the products? I say you should. Because, yeah. But in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye. This is just me all, this is gonna be me all week. Went to my church, at work, backpack,